Good morning kids. Kids, today we'll learn a new letter W. What we will learn today? A new letter W. W says what? W says what? W what? Whistle. W what? Watermelon. W what? Walnuts. W what? Watch. W what? Whale. W what? Woman. W what? Window. Kids, this is letter W. W what? Watch. See, this is watch and we wear watch on our wrist. Now we'll trace the letter W. Slanting line, right slanting line. Now we'll go up. Now go down, again slanting line. Now we'll make one more slanting line. We'll go up, okay? Like this, we'll do tracing. Okay kids, bye-bye.